Where am I? What's that, KFC?
Well, no, it's a Subway, obviously.
I didn't know he was getting McDonald's.
It's a tuna roll.
Steve? Wait, is that you, Steve? Wait, let me go, you pricks.
Shut up, you. Once you two have finished getting reacquainted, could we please proceed?
Proceed with what? Why am I here? I ain't done nothing. You always were full of questions.
What are you doing?
Making use of the surroundings. Steve, it's a Henry fucking Hoover.
No, it's not.
What?
It's a Novak.
Can I go yet? I don't see where this is going.
You're staying until you tell us everything you know.
Stephen, what are you doing?
Well, I always thought the sound of a Hoover's quite intimidating, isn't it?
Who do you know that is intimidated by the sound of a Hoover?
Well, it's always intimidated me.
Stephen, you're an idiot.
Do you boys want... Have you had kebab in here?
No, get out! Now, down to business.
Is this your mum's house?